Okay, the time has come. The product is complete. You see, it didn't take very long at all. The whole purpose of this mission is to show you that you can cook easy, flavorful, nutritious meals in no time. It doesn't require much thought. You can do your preparation ahead of time. You know, the times that we're in right now, we can't go out to eat. We can order in, but you know what? Now's the time to practice cooking in your home. Now's the time to up your cooking skills. Now's the time to cook. Yes, and enjoy it. So, without further delay, we have tonight's presentation. It is the lamb with these fresh sauteed kale on the outside, spinach and shallots, and then we have the wonderful rice underneath. So, let's see what happened. Meat is cooked perfectly, nice and tender. Mmm. Mmm. It reminds me of those Easter dinners when I was a little kid. And we used to have lamb. My mom loves it. And the next time I see her, I'm going to cook her some. But, once again, helpful cooking tips from Tony's Kitchen. You can reach me on my website at lockservellc.com. That's LOCKSERVELLC.com. Or email me at abullock846@gmail.com. Okay? Enjoy your Easter. If you're able to be around your family, enjoy the family time. If you're quarantined and you're shut in by yourself, enjoy your own company. Now's the time to focus and get our heads back in the game for when everything starts back up. Once again, thank you for tuning in to Tony's Kitchen. Happy Easter! I'm going to get back to this meal.